Hello friends, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So you all may be aware that there are different job roles in the data science profile, like you can work as a data analyst, business analyst, or data scientist, data engineer, machine learning engineer. So there are so many AI engineers. So there are so many open positions in this field, particular field. Okay, so everyone have confusion. So how much we can expect as a fresher, or if you have experience, so how much you can ask to the HR? Your salary. So I'm talking about your salary. Okay. So as a fresher, if you as a fresher, yeah, for any role. So whatever I have mentioned, as a fresher, you can expect as a fresher, you can expect over 7 to 8 lakhs. So never go below the 8 lakhs. Always demand for 8 lakh or 8 lakh, 7 to 8 lakh, or you can also go up to 10 lakh, because they will ask you for your salary expectation after all the process of after the completions of all the rounds, like technical rounds, your interview rounds. Then they will ask you what is your expectation. So because candidates are they reject so many candidates. Okay, and few candidates they take for interview process or technical round process, these things for process. But in the first hand they rejected many resume in the beginning only. So they also don't want to go again and again with the same process with other candidates. So even if you will ask for 8 or 10, like if they have budget, they will give you. If they don't have that much amount of budget, then they will bargain with you, and you can also bargain that. But always keep your expectations high. 8 to 10 lakhs. Yeah, I will suggest you. And if you are experienced professional, if you have 2-3 years of experience in software industry or in data science job roles, okay, whether it is in software development or in data science job roles, if you have 2-3 years of experience, then definitely you ask for over 15 lakh. Okay, never go below to 15 lakh. Always ask above 15 to 20 lakhs. If they have not that amount of budget, then don't leave your job right now, and keep hustling for more other company. Keep applying, and never, if you have 2-3 years of experience, never join below 15. I will suggest you at this current time. So you all know the value of money, especially rupees, is decreasing day by day. So I will suggest you not go below 20 lakh, but never go below 15 lakh. Okay, that's my suggestion. So I hope you will find these suggestions meaningful. So